going on? Because you're a bird. Iaga. Excuse me. Excuse me, bird. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Run! The earthquake is coming. No, don't eat it. 1 second, I need a shower, you disgusting bird. Come on, come on, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, okay, come on. Come here. Oh my god! Come here. Come here. Come here. Good bird. Okay, ready? Okay. Wet chicken. You want any more? You want more? Where are you going? Oh, very nice. You're going to the... Oh. Let's see if she wants more. Ready? No, she doesn't want any more. Usually she'll like open her wings and stuff, but I guess she doesn't want it. Did you like that shower? You're a wet chicken. Wet chicken Wednesday. Yeah, 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 yeah. Got a wet chicken. Oh my god. She's a high maintenance queen. High maintenance queen. Do you want more? Are you cleaning now? You're grooming? You want more air? You want more of this? You want more of that? You're not communicating. And that's how you wash chickens. Chicken. Bok bok. Bok. Oh. Yeah, sometimes I just snack on my own hand. It's fine. Feel the love tonight. Ah, da, 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 da. Do the wings. Flap your wings. Flap your wings. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Za, 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 zo. Dun, 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 dun. He's in his natural habitat, trying to take out a shift boat. Covers the activity with his back to make sure nobody copies his movements. As he puts the 6mm Allen key through, he realizes there's no hope left. But Mickey Mondo NYC, he doesn't give up. No, he doesn't. I can't. I am the chosen one. Maybe I can get this stupid piece of shit out of this step. He then completely misses and starts loosening a random other thing. Because he's just given up. It is the step. That's the problem. Mickey Mondo NYC is not the problem. It is this.
Oh, don't tell me he did this.
Don't tell me he did this. He's not waving back. Huh? Who wants to laugh?
She's laughing.
Boo, bitch!
How many extra beans can I get if I get a burrito rather than a bowl? Like individually? Please count the beans. Are you kidding? That's exactly what he asked them.